Hello everyone, my name is Ambika and today's webinar is about Bluetooth. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology that uses radio waves to transmit data from one device to another. Bluetooth was invented in the 90s by J. Parson at Ericsson, a Swedish tech company. The majority of the patents regarding Bluetooth technology are owned by Ericsson. Some of the uses for Bluetooth: speakers and wireless headphones, wireless accessories like mouses and keyboards, hands-free phone use in cars, wireless instant live sharing, screen mirroring, tethering devices like iWatch on the iPhone, wireless home devices like thermostats and lights, and more. Bluetooth is integrated into almost all wireless data sharing devices. Advantages of Bluetooth. This technology is completely wireless. Bluetooth is efficient and it is considered one of the most widely used methods of interconnecting various computing devices. Its availability is very common. Almost every device supports Bluetooth. It is very easy to use. It avoids interference with other wireless devices. But there are some disadvantages to it as well. Battery drain. Turn it off when you are not using it. Poor security. Turn it off when you are also not using it. Slow data. Only appropriate for sending files in smaller batches. Proximity limitations. Bluetooth can usually connect within 10 meters. And compatibility issues. Is Bluetooth secure? Bluetooth is more secure than Wi-Fi, but that doesn't make it completely secure. You could accidentally send people information via Bluetooth that you didn't intend to. There's also the possibility of eavesdropping when you are using devices such as wireless headsets. The best way to keep yourself secure is to turn off Bluetooth when you're not making use of it, and always double check you are connecting to the correct device. Enabling Bluetooth on Mac. Go to Spotlight and search for Bluetooth and open it. A window will open and all you need to do to turn Bluetooth on is to click on Turn Bluetooth On. iPhone/iPad. Go to your settings, select Bluetooth from the menu, and switch Bluetooth on from here. On Windows, go to the Start menu, then select Settings. Next, select Devices, then select Bluetooth. Switch Bluetooth on. On an Android, go to your settings, select Bluetooth from the menu, switch Bluetooth on from here. Connecting to devices via Bluetooth. Many device accessories like headphones, mouses, and keyboard utilize Bluetooth. If you're connecting to a mouse or pair of headphones, make sure you read the instructions to make it discoverable before attempting to connect via Bluetooth. Discoverable is a state within Bluetooth technology that enables Bluetooth devices to search, connect, and transfer data with each other. Connecting to devices via Bluetooth with Mac. Open your Bluetooth settings again. You should see connectable devices listed with a connect button next to it. Click Connect. iPhone/iPad. Go to your settings and select Bluetooth from the menu. You should see a list of connectable Bluetooth devices under Devices. Simply tap on the one you want to connect to. Connecting to devices via Bluetooth for Windows. Open your Bluetooth settings again. You should see the connectable devices listed with a pair button next to it. Click pair. For Android, open your Bluetooth settings again. You may either see available devices in the main menu, or you may have to click pair new device first. Either way, once you see the device you want, tap on it to connect. How to transfer files via Bluetooth between Apple devices. To share files via Bluetooth between Apple devices, you can simply use the AirDrop feature. If Bluetooth is turned on both devices, you can simply right-click on a Mac or tap this icon on phone or a tablet and select AirDrop. Your device should locate other nearby Apple devices, and you can select one to share with. Click here to watch a past webinar on Apple AirDrop. On Windows, go to your Bluetooth settings and make sure the other device you want to share with is paired to your device. From this page, scroll down until you see Send or Receive Files via Bluetooth. Select whether you would like to send or receive files. And next, you can now receive a file or select files from your device to send out. On an Android, note this may not be correct for your device as all Androids are different. On the Android tablet, locate and select the file you want to send. Choose the Share command. From the Share menu, choose Bluetooth, and then select the device you want to send to. Screen mirroring. You can also do something called screen mirroring using Bluetooth between certain devices. On devices that run on the same OS, that is, Apple devices, this can be relatively simple. Often this requires the use of a downloaded app because using Bluetooth in this method is very unique for each device. It is not impossible to teach it, very broad. If you are interested in learning how to screen mirror video devices, please sign up for a one-on-one session and one of our mentors can guide you through it. Now, there might be times when Bluetooth does not work. Below are some tricks to apply when that situation occurs. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on both devices. It seems simple, but it is a common connection issue. Turn on discoverable mode. For certain devices like car Bluetooth systems and speakers, it is not enough for the Bluetooth to be on. They may also have to be discoverable. If you are unsure about how this works, consult the instructions. There may be a special combination of buttons you have to press to activate this mode. Power devices off and back on. Delete a device from a phone and rediscover it. If you have connected to the device before and it suddenly won't connect, try deleting or forgetting the device and reconnecting it as a new device. Make sure the devices you want to pair are designed to connect with each other. Sometimes devices just aren't compatible and are only designed to connect to a certain kind of device, like many Apple products. Make sure the two devices are in close enough proximity to one another. Bluetooth can usually connect within 10 meters. Now we will have our live demo, and this is where I will show how to access Bluetooth on your smartphone. First, to access your Bluetooth settings, go into your settings. Look for where it says Bluetooth. As you can see, now the Bluetooth is turned off. Now, if you want to turn the Bluetooth on, simply swipe on the off icon and it will turn on. Next, it will search for available devices which can be paired with this device using Bluetooth. However, you should always remember to turn the Bluetooth on with the device you wish to pair or connect with. After you're done with the Bluetooth, you can swipe again and turn it off. Again, always remember to turn off Bluetooth at the end, as it drains a lot of battery life from your device. Another faster approach to access Bluetooth setting is to use the quick settings menu. Swipe down from the top of your screen and you should see the Bluetooth icon among the quick settings displayed on your Android. Right now it's disabled and I can simply tap on Bluetooth to enable it. And tap it back again to turn it off. Next, we will see how to pair a device. Go into settings, go into Bluetooth, and to pair a device, you must have Bluetooth on for both the devices you wish to connect. In this case, it is my phone and my laptop. Then here, as you can see, it shows me a list of available devices to connect. I suggest you wait for it for at least 30 seconds to complete the scan and discover all the options. The discoverable name of my phone is Ambika's phone. The discoverable name of my laptop is Desktop 8UIUU1R. Note, before conducting the live demo, I tested it myself to see how it works, and it shows as one of my paid devices. But if you are doing it for the first time, then the device you wish to connect to should come under available devices. So I'll click on the device I wish to connect, and it will start the process of pairing the device. Now, as you can see, there's a pop-up window which appears on my smartphone, which displays a 6-digit code. This code also appears on my laptop as well. Always make sure that the two codes match to avoid connecting to the wrong device. And when we are sure that my codes match, we will click on pair and also click on connect on my laptop to continue. As you can see, the connection only lasts for a few seconds. So unless you do this quickly, the connection between the PC and your phone might expire. If that happens, the pairing fails and you must try again. So here, as we saw, there was an error connecting to my laptop. So I will try it again. I will click on the device I want. And here it shows me the code. I will make sure that the code matches. Click pair. This step is intended for security purposes so that you do not accidentally connect to the wrong device. And now it shows that I've successfully connected to my laptop. And also on my laptop, it is showing that Amika's phone is paired and ready to go. This concludes our webinar on Bluetooth technology. Thank you all for listening.